Okay, so good morning, mabuhay. Or I mean good day, mabuhay, and blessed be God forever. Okay, so this is another day, okay, for our science class, right? Okay, so again, this is Miss Jasmine Malaya P. Alfonso, your science teacher. So for today, we're going to discuss our lesson 2 in science. All right, so I hope that everyone is ready, especially those who were not able to attend our synchronous classes. Okay, so let's start our discussion. Okay, so what's for today? Okay, so for today, just like the previous lesson that we had, or the previous videos that we had, we are going to have first our review of the previous lesson. Then afterwards, we will have a discussion, review activity number 1, and review activity number 2. Okay? So let's go first on the first part of our day, which is the review time. Okay? So last time, we talked about what? Can you still remember lesson 1 of our science class? Okay? Yes. So our lesson 1 is about hereditary, variation, and inheritance. Very good. And we talk about the different kinds or types of cells, also the processes or stages that the cells are going through, so that these cells can be able to form, or transform into another cell. All right. Also, we also discuss about sperm cells, egg cells, and how mitosis and meiosis are different from each other, right? All right, so since we're done with our review time, I think it's time for us to go on for our discussion, okay? So what is our discussion for today? Okay, so the title of lesson 2 for science class today is Biodiversity, Hierarchical Taxonomic System of Classification. Okay, so we are going to focus on the different hierarchical taxonomic system of classification, all right, of different organisms, all right? Okay, so I want you to focus so that you can be able to grasp or understand the different ideas and new knowledge that you're going to learn for today, okay? Very good. All right, so first, let us define, or before we define, okay, let us know the person behind some of the things that help us, or some of the things that will help us to understand our lesson for today, okay? So he is Carolus Linnaeus. Can you say that? Very good. Carolus Linnaeus. Who is Carolus Linnaeus? Okay, so Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of taxonomy. Okay, he also published his book Systema Naturae in the year 1735. All right, don't forget that. Again, he is the father of taxonomy and also improves the system of classification of different organisms by grouping them. Okay, grouping them according to their traits and similarities. Again, who is the father of taxonomy? Correct, it's Carolus Linnaeus. Don't forget that. Next, so we also have here the Linnaean system. Okay, from his name, Carolus Linnaeus, this is called the Linnaean system. What is the Linnaean system? Okay, Linnaean system classifies organisms by grouping. All right, by grouping them from general to specific. Okay, don't forget that. And the first group of Linnaean system is what we call the domain. Okay, what is the domain? Domain is the most general group that describes an organism. All right, don't forget that. The word general, okay? It is also the highest taxonomical rank of all. Okay, don't forget that. Those are the keywords for the word domain or the classification domain. Most general group and highest taxonomical rank. Okay, so the first one is domain under Linnaean system. Next, We also have what we call kingdom. Can you say kingdom? All right. So this is the next taxonomical rank, which is based on an organism's cellular composition and the type where they get nutrition. Don't forget that. The word is next taxonomical rank after domain and the cellular composition and where they get the nutrition. All right. So we have the domain, the kingdom. Next, number 3 is the phyla. Say phyla. All right. So phyla describes the structure of an organism, whether it contains a backbone or not, or backbones, it contains backbones or not. Again, the keyword here is structure of organism and backbones or no backbone. Okay, we have domain, kingdom, and phyla. Next. The next one is next to phyla, which is classes. So domain, kingdom, phyla, classes. Next, after classes, which is composed of a family, is the order. Okay? Domain, kingdom, phyla, classes, and order. All right? And the next one is what we call, or the last one, or the last 2 ranks is genera and species. Okay? So this is the most specific of all is the species. All right? So we have domain, kingdom, phyla, classes, order, genera, and species. Don't forget that. Okay, let's repeat. Domain, kingdom, phyla, classes, order, genera, and species. All right, very good. Okay, so we also have here another idea that will give us more knowledge about our topic today. So a while ago, we identified the Linnaean system, which is created by Carolus Linnaeus. Now, let's have the binomial nomenclature. What is binomial nomenclature? Okay? So binomial nomenclature, is a 2-name system that uses the genus and the species name of an organism, which gives the scientific name or Latin name of an organism. In other words, this is the scientific name of an organism. Okay? Can you say binomial nomenclature? Very good. Okay. Now, here are some of the examples of organisms and their scientific names. Let us know it. Okay? So first we have ant. Okay, the scientific name of ant is Formicidae. Can you say Formicidae? Very good. Okay, next we have here bird. Okay, so the scientific name of bird is Aves or Avis. All right, next we also have here butterfly. Okay, so the scientific name of butterfly is Rhopalocera. Can you say that? Rhopalocera. Very good. Okay, next. The next one is cow. Okay, the scientific name of cow is Bos taurus. Can you say that? Bos taurus. Very good. Next, we also have deer. The scientific name of deer is Cervidae. Can you say that? Very good. Next, we also have eagle. So the scientific name of eagle is Accipitridae. Can you say that? Accipitridae. Very good. Next, we also have here fish. So the scientific name of fish is Vertebrata. Can you say that? Vertebrata. Very good. Next, we also have the horse. Okay, the scientific name of horse is Equius caballus. Can you say that? Equius caballus. Good job. Okay, next, we also have the parrot. Okay, so the scientific name of parrot is Psittaciformes. Can you say that? Psittaciformes. Very good. Next, after the parrot, we have also the pig. So the scientific name of a pig is Sus. All right. Next, we also have here lizard. Okay, the scientific name of lizard is Squamata. Can you say that? Squamata. Good job. Okay. We also have another one, which is rat. The scientific name of rat is Rondensia. Very good. All right. We also have here spider. Can you say arachne? Okay, good. That's good. Next, we also have snake. And I think you already encountered this word, especially on your Ibong Adarna. And the scientific name of snake is, say, Serpientes. Very good. Okay, we also have here the bat. Okay, it's not a Batman, but the bat. Okay, so then the scientific name of bat is Chiroptera or Chiroptera. Chiroptera or Chiroptera. All right. Next, we also have here the bear. Okay, so the scientific name of bear is Orsidae. Very good. Okay, we also have here the cat. Okay, so the scientific name of cat is Felis catus. Can you say that? Felis catus. It sounds good in the ear, right? Very good. Next, we also have here the animal cheetah. Okay, so the scientific name of cheetah is Acinonyx hubatus. Can you say that again? Acinonyx hubatus. Very good. And if we have a cat, we also have the scientific name of dog. And the scientific name of dog is, say, Canis lupus familiaris. Okay, Canis lupus familiaris. Very good. Next. We also have elephant. Okay, so the scientific name of elephant is Elephantinae. All right. And we also have giraffe, which is Giraffa camelopardalis. Can you say that? Giraffa camelopardalis. Very good. All right. And we also have here monkey. So can you say simiformes? Simiformes. Okay, very good. We also have rabbit, which is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Can you say that? Oryctolagus cuniculus. All right. And we also have lion. Okay, so the scientific name of lion is Panthera leo. Can you say that? Panthera leo. Very good. Okay, we also have here mosquito. So the scientific name of mosquito is Culcidae. Can you say that? Culcidae. Good job. Okay. We also have here sheep. And its scientific name is Ovis aris. Can you say that? Ovis aris. Good job. Okay. And for starfish, okay, please say asteroidea. Asteroidea. Okay, nice try. We also have zebra, which is Equus quagga. Can you say that? Equus quagga. Okay, so those are the scientific names of the animals. Okay, so those are the things that you need to remember for this lesson. Do you have questions? If you have questions, kindly message Miss Jazz or you can call me during your module time so that you may understand more our lesson for today, which is about biodiversity, okay, or the hierarchical taxonomical system, okay? So if you don't have question, you can also have your review activity number 1 on this video, okay? All you need to have is a whiteboard and marker and eraser or maybe a piece of paper, okay? You can also ask someone to read to you the questions carefully and listen on it, or maybe you'll be the one to read it. Then just write the letter of the correct answer on your whiteboard or on a piece of paper, okay? You can pause the video if it is too fast, okay? If its transition is too fast, okay? The answer is also stated after each question. Okay, let's start. Okay, first question. You can pause this video if it is too fast. So the answer is second question. The answer is, all right, next. The answer is, all right, next. Okay, and the answer is next. The answer is, okay, next. Sorry, that's bonus. I wasn't able to put the other choices. Next one. The answer is, okay, next. And the answer is, next one. The answer is, okay, and the next one. And the answer is, all right, next one. So here's the scientific name of the following. The answer is, next. How about the cat? The answer is, next. The answer is, okay, and next one, you have the rabbit. The answer is, all right, next. How about the cheetah? The answer is, and the lion. The answer is, how about, okay, we're done with review activity number 1. Now you're going to have also review time activity number 2, but this one, you can answer it during your free time or your module time, okay? Don't forget to accomplish it, okay? So I think we already finished the agenda for the day. It's up to you what time you're going to have it. And if you have questions, again, let me remind you that you can message or call Miss Chas, okay? To confirm about it, okay? So again, please be reminded to answer your module for your asynchronous class. Don't forget that. And I hope that you had or like, love, or happy, or amazed with the new information that you had today, okay? If ever you're not satisfied, you can repeat this video, all right? Okay, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye to each and every one. I hope that you have learned something today. Have a nice day and be safe always. God bless you, everyone. Bye.